Hi, this is John with WTI. And this, in fact, is the reason that most of my meals this month has been tasting really good. This is a Prego Italian sauce that has chunks, little chunks of these different vegetables, onions, peppers, garlic. And in fact, let me tell you that it just tastes great. I've had this with bread. I've had this with pastas. I have this with meat, my tacos. Every little detail or things that I've used this month mostly has had a little bit of this sauce. And the fact that, or one of the things that I like the most from here, is just not a whole blend-in sauce. This is the chunks, has these little chunks of the tomatoes, it has the chunks of the onions, the peppers, and the garlics, and it actually tastes really good because you're actually feeling the flavor of the sauce. So this is a high quality sauce that I will use it for my multi-purpose of just like, hey, I don't know what else to season. Salt and pepper, get this guy in, just tastes great. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.